Hey, what is going on guys? It's your boy Daryl Aranta here, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your posture so you could potentially increase your height and gain more confidence and maybe, which I highly think, gain more attraction from the ladies. I mean, do you think the ladies would find you attractive when you walk like this? Or how about this? I'm pretty sure 9 out of 10 ladies will pick the latter one. Anyways, I thought about this video because I came across this article saying that I'm not gonna even try to pronounce the name, can add up to 6 inches to people's height by doing a procedure that stretches people. Through this article, it looks like he actually did the procedure already and the dude increased his height, which is amazing by the way. I mean, this is a good news to our fellow short man, but this is like the future, and I'm pretty sure the procedure would cost you an arm and leg. Anyways, I'm here to show you the alternative easy fix to increase your height, aka correct your posture. And without further ado, let's jump in. Number 1, start doing wall angel. This particular exercise will help you strengthen your scapular, increase mobility in your shoulder, and pretty much fix that round shoulders that many men out there are experiencing right now because of the tightness around their shoulders and chest. You know, bench press every day. And some of us do have office work, which our hands are always on the mouse and keyboards typing, in which if you notice, our shoulders naturally move forward or cause that round motion of our shoulders. Anyways, to perform this exercise, find an empty wall. Lean your back against the wall, rest your head and lower back flat against the wall, raise your arms to the side about 90 degrees, make sure your elbows and back of your hands are comfortably touching the walls, slowly slide up and down and repeat the motion about 10 to 20 reps. After performing this exercise, you would feel the major difference with your posture right away. Next, I had this series of mobility exercise that I just don't know the name, but it's so effective to lengthen the muscles on your mid-back and helps improve your posture. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys and follow me, okay? First, get in the lunge position where you have to place one of your knee on the floor. So you may have to pick up a pillow or something for comfort. Once you are in the lunge position, extend your arms forward. This time I'm going to do it with my right one. Then extend your left arm upward like this and slowly you rotate your body to the left. Do about 5 of those and move on to the next one, in which you extend your right arm up in the air and extend your left one on the side. Then slowly rotate your body towards the left to the floor. Do about 5 of those too. And for the last one, I think this one called thoracic extension. Use the edge of your couch or bed, whatever it is. Place your both elbows on the edge of your chosen furniture. Slowly lower your ribs and you should feel the stretch in your mid-upper spine. Do also about 5 reps of this, and I guarantee you after you finish this mobility exercise, your back and spine will thank you. Third one, in which my favorite stretching exercise to do, is upward downward dog. For this particular routine, we're gonna focus on holding the downward dog because that's when you will feel the stretch the most of your shoulders and chest. This specific exercise can get your body alignment right back on track if you start to do this often. To do this exercise, place your hands and feet on the floor like a dog. Hands should be shoulder widths apart. Spread your fingers and slowly lift up your knees off the floor while shooting your tailbone up in the sky as much as you can. Hold this position for about 10 seconds and slowly go back to neutral position, or you may do the upward dog to stretch furthermore. Number 4, start doing child pose every day to stretch that body of yours and lengthen your muscles and spine so you could potentially increase your height. This is also a good alternative exercise from doing downward dog. So this is another feels good stretch easy exercise that you could do at home. Begin by placing your hands and knees on the floor. Slowly lower down your hips to the floor, then begin extending and sliding your arms forward. Extend as far as you can to reach the maximum stretch of your muscles. And once you fully extend, hold the pose for at least 15 seconds, then do about 3 sets of this. I'm warning you, just being in a child pose can help you relax your mind and your body, and you might eventually fall asleep doing this. And for the last exercise to improve your posture is to do shoulder retraction exercise. This one is easy to perform. All you need to do is to stand shoulder width apart, pull your shoulders and hands backward. You could either interlace your finger or hold one wrist with your other hand. Slowly pull down your shoulders and hands downward to feel the stretch. Hold it for about 3 seconds each. Relax and do it again for about 10 to 12 reps. You may slowly rotate your neck during this exercise for additional tension. Again, this would help fix the roundness of your shoulder and will also increase your shoulder mobility. And as for my bonus tip to help you maintain the health of your spine is either by using this towel or water bottle. Here's how you're going to use it. You know how we spend so many hours of sitting down or maybe driving on the road each day? Little did you know your spine looks like this for sitting so long. We could simply call it slouching. And this is one way to get lower back pain and have bad posture. Now, to combat this, all you need to do is place a roll of towel or water bottle on your lower back while sitting down. By doing this, it will put your spine in a neutral position without even trying, and your posture will look great. Plus, you look like you just add an inch in your height too. Well, that's it for me, guys. Don't forget to press the like button down below if you find this video informative and interesting. Don't forget to leave a comment down below for questions, statements, or whatever. And if you're new to this channel, I am now begging you to click the subscribe button as I'm getting close of hitting that 100 subscribers. Maybe a little achievement for some, but it's a big milestone for me. Anyways, have a good day, everyone. Stay safe and stay amazing, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.